Hello my friends, my name is Irvin, also known as Kuberman. In this video I will show you how to install an ink cartridge inside of an inkjet printer. This method can be used in all types of inkjet printers, and not only this type of specific Canon printer. Believe it or not, people break these type of printers because they don't know how to install it properly. What happens most of the time is that people don't realize that you have to plug in your printer so it's actually fully powered before you can actually install the printer cartridge properly. Otherwise you will break it, and I will show you exactly what I mean in this video. By the way, real quick, if you appreciate this type of video, please leave a like, leave a comment, and share with friends.
So here's the cartridge that I bought, and if you're interested in buying one of these, I'll put a link in the description below. This is just a regular black. I'm just going to pop this open and then show you how to put this back in here. I'm going to close this scanner part. Make sure this part is open. This is the part that spits out your printouts or whatever. So in order to get to your ink, all you would do is just lift this part up all together and see how this has a little convenient piece of plastic that automatically just kind of holds your top of your printer up. Let me just adjust the camera a little bit here. But you can see how it moved the ink cartridges to the left. Usually they're over here. They're hidden. And now it's over here. And that's the problem. People try to move it while the printer is powered off, so they force it. They force it and they break the whole thing, which is, obviously unfortunate. Okay, let me get a little bit closer to this so I can show you how to open these. It's actually pretty simple. And again, if you're interested in this type of thing, or even this specific printer, I will post a link to something that's like it, because this printer is no longer manufactured since I bought it so many years ago. But there will be something similar also from Canon. So in order to open these up, all you got to do is pinch like this onto these tabs, and then you just lift up. You see how it has a little arrow there? And then you have the little leverage point here. So if you just pinch it and lift up like this, you will have access to the cartridges. You see how it has little connectors over there? Okay. So I'm going to close this one because that's not the one I'm replacing, that's the color one. I'm going to replace the black only. So I'm going to pop it open like so. And I have my new cartridge here. You see it has a little protective tab. New ones are all going to have this. It basically blocks this nozzle part, so they're all going to have this little tab that you simply just pull back and peel off. Okay. Now in order to put this back in, you have to make sure it's facing this way. You see how the connectors are like so, right? We have to make sure that they connect to those connectors over there. So obviously we're just going to put this in, and we're just going to let it fall in, and then with a little bit of press of a, so we're just going to put it in like that and let it fall in like that, and then we're just going to close our tab. And then once you're done, you can just close this thing. And now your printer should know that you've installed the new black cartridge. You see how the black ink cartridge is no longer flashing? That means it's in there and available, and we don't have the color one installed. That's why it's still flashing. So we're good to go, guys. Guys, if you like this video, please like it, share it with friends. Also tell your friends that break printers to also watch this video so they know how to change it on theirs. All the other printers, all the inkjet printers should be very similar to this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.